Good morning, children. How you all are? Hope you are fine. Okay. In the previous class, we completed exercise 39. Now I'm going to start exercise 40. Let us start the class. Okay. See the first one in that. Write the first five multiples of 5. Write the first five multiples of of 5. Write the first five multiples of 5. What are five multiples? What are multiples of 5, Amma? 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 threes 15, 5 fours 20, 5 fives 25 are the multiples of 5. Are the multiples of 5. Okay. See the second one, children. Write the largest 4-digit number. The largest 4-digit number that can be formed using the digit 5, 0, 9, 8. What the question they given? Write the largest 4-digit number that can be formed with the digits 5, 0, 7, 8. We have to write the largest 4-digit number with these digits. What are those 5, 0s, 9, 8? First you have to arrange to write the largest number. We have to arrange the given digits in order of descending order. Descending order means from greater to smaller. Which one is greater of all these digits? 9. Next 8, next 5 and then 0. So 9850 is the right answer. See the third one, children. Write the next 4 even numbers after 1005. Write the next 4 even numbers. Next 4 even numbers after 1005. After 1005, what type of even numbers will come? Next 4 even numbers after 1005. Okay, right. After 1005, what the even number will come? 1006. Next even number? They ask us to write 4 even numbers. Huh? 1006 after 1008. Next 1010. 1010. 1010. Next 1012. 1012. These are the even numbers which comes after 1005. 1005 after next 4 even numbers. 1005 after 1006 will come. It's an even number. Next 1008, 1010 and 1012. See the next one, fourth one, children. See the fourth one, ma. Complete the series. Complete the series. First one 640, 690, 740. Next and next numbers in this series. Next 2 numbers in this series. Complete the series. How they completed this series and what the difference between the numbers given you have to find. What are the numbers they given? 640, 690. First find the difference between 640 and 690, children. So 690 minus 640. 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 4, 550. 50 is the difference. 50 is the difference means after adding 50 to these given numbers, we will get the next number in this series. Yes or not? So next 740 plus 50. Now you have to add 50 to the last number what they given in this column 740. Okay, 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 5 9 7. Again 790. To get the another number you have to add 790 plus 50. 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus 5 14, 7 plus 1 8. 840 is the right answer. 840 is the right answer. See the fifth one now. 585 trees were planted. 585 trees were planted equally in 9 rows. Planted equally in 9 rows. How many trees were there in each row? How many trees were there in each row? How many trees are there in each row? What is the question? 225 trees were, 585 trees were planted equally in 9 rows. How many trees were there in each row? What we have to do? They given total number of plants and number of rows also given. Here they are asking how many plants are there in each row. So, number of trees in 9 rows. In 9 rows, how many number of trees are there? 585 trees are there. In that, how many trees were there in each row they are asking. So, number of trees in one row. Number of trees in one row. 9 rows they given. Now they are asking us to find for one row. So, 585 divided by 9. So, those many trees will be in 9 rows. 9 divides 585. 9 6 are 54. Remainder 4 drop down 5. 45 in 9 table. 9 5 is 45. So, answer 0. So, how many trees? 65 trees are there. How many trees are there? 65 trees are there. See the next one now. Into 0 plus 169 into 1 plus 1 equal to how much? What is the question they given? 225 into 0. 225 into 0. If you multiply any number with 0, we will get 0 only. Yes or not? So, 0. 169 into 1. 169. So, right. What the answer you will get? 0 plus 169 plus 1. What is 169 plus 1? 170. See the seventh one, children. 300 centimeter equal to how many meters? 300 centimeters equal to how many meters? One meter contain 100 centimeter. 1 meter contain 100 centimeter. Here they given 300 centimeters equal to how many meters? If you divide 300 with 100, you will get the answer. Okay, what the question they given? 300 centimeter they given, and they are asking us to find how many meters it is. So 1 meter contain 100 centimeters. So if you divide 300 with 100, you will get the answer. 100 is 300s. 300 minus 300. So how many meters are there? 3 meters are there in that. See the eighth one, no? $4,800 divided by 60. 4,800 divided by 60. 4,800 divided by 60. 4800 split 60. 6 table 48, it is lesser than 60. So check through 3 numbers in this row. 480, 48 in 6 table. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 36, 6 7 42, 6 8 48. So 8 times it is possible. So 68, 6 8 48, 68 480. 480 minus 480 is 0. Drop down 0. 60 zeros 0. Remainder 0. So how many times? 80. Ninth one. 32 into 25. 32 into 25. Children, there is a method to find out like this sums. See, you can do 32 into, instead of multiplying with 25, you can multiply with 100 by 4. You can multiply with 100 by 4. What is 100 by 4? 4 divides 100. 4 2s 8. Remainder 2. Now drop down 0. 4 5s 20. So 25 value is 100 by 4. We multiply 24 value as 100 by 4. So 4 ones in 4 table, how many times is 32 is divisible? 4 ones, 4 eights 32. 8 into 100, 800. So it's the shortcut way to find out a number with 25. Again check this answer is correct with this or not. If you do like that, it will be correct. But for your confirmation, I am doing again that same sum. 30